This don't even tell fucking time. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be talking about a smartwatch that I can't say the name to save my life. Just wish these companies come up with some real names. This freaking, oh my God, anyway. And we're going to be talking about a smartwatch. And this smartwatch is a piece of shit, okay? It only does 5 things. And one of the things it can't do is tell time. So what's the point of having a smartwatch? I mean, believe it or not, I do like the way it looks. It's just a shame it doesn't work. You know, if it worked, I would be so happy and I would keep it and do all kinds of, but I got to return it. The software doesn't work for crap. I couldn't get it to, I got the phone to see the watch, came up as a V11. Okay, that's cool. So the Note 9 is pretty sophisticated. And it just doesn't work with this watch. The Bluetooth on the phone communicated with the watch. Home run, that's good. But the time never synced. But it only does 5 things. And when I say only, it does blood pressure, stepping, oxygen in your blood, beats per minute, and it does sleep. It doesn't do the basic thing, which tell time. The software needs to have access to my files, media, everything. It needs access to my phone contacts, and it needs location. And those 3 raised some major red flags. So it's a big waste of time, and I tried so hard to keep this because my daughter wanted to try it, my wife wanted something different, and it's just a waste of time. Do not bother with this thing. One of the interesting things also is the charging mechanism. It's really strange. It actually clips on to the watch like so, and there's 2 little pins that hit contacts on the back of the watch. Now if you don't get it correct, it won't charge, so you'll have to do it properly like so. So I said, you know what, this is not worth my time, and I'm not even going to email them to even waste their time to say, oh, did you do this, did you hop on one foot, did you wear a red shirt? I'm not even going to bother emailing them because I'm a tech guy, and if I can't get this to work, it's a piece of shit, and it's not worth my time. So this is going back. I will have a link in the description below to avoid this product. It's only there for you to see what it is. To avoid it, please don't buy it. I don't want to be responsible for your drama. So guys, hit that like, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, share. Don't forget to hit, over there. Don't forget to hit that bell for future notifications. Take care, and we'll see you next time.